morning and welcome back to North Dakota. Today, Bianca and I are back with another episode of This Is How You Make It with the one and only John David Berdahl.
Oh, so excited that you're back.
It's been a while since you've been in studio.
I've been camped out in the parking lot. No one's just let me in.
I've been craving using my hands to make some
really?
art.
Okay.
So let's go.
Well, yes, let's do that today. So we're going to be working on these sort of water globes, these back-to-school water globes.
Super fun.
Okay, and so this has a caterpillar in it with a little
Adorable.
apple in there. And shout out, right, thanks to the Children's Courtyard of Fargo.
yes.
Hi, everybody. Hi. They said they'd be watching today.
Good.
So
That
hopefully
looks
they are.
awesome.
Yes.
So cool. They did a great job.
It's a hungry little caterpillar in there.
Okay, so we have packs of clay in front of us.
Yes.
You also brought us some jars.
Yes, there are those, and I got a nice big jar too, because they made some
Ooh.
items to go on the outside of a jar,
Okay.
as well as on the inside. And
Okay.
so this one may be just kind of like, I don't know, items could be put inside.
Yeah.
Because we're going to put water in it, and that's what this is for. And then some confetti too.
Yeah.
And then it'll create a sort of water globe.
I
love
like
it.
Yes,
that.
yes, that's really nice. Yeah,
That is
rather
really cool.
Inexpensive too.
That's
Yeah.
true. I feel like you can get a lot of these tools from the Dollar Tree, from Walmart. Very
From
inexpensive.
friends, neighbors,
Yeah.
people passing by. You know, do you have clay tools in your car? Thanks.
Yeah, right in my pocket.
Oh, thanks so much.
You know.
And
Okay,
work with
so
those.
how do we get started here?
Yeah.
Oh,
what's
great.
up?
So open these packages, and I'll
Okay.
talk a little bit about the history of like clay.
Yeah.
Like when did humans start working with clay?
Very
About
fun.
30,000 years ago.
What?
So not
Started.
too far.
No, not too long. Not too long. And then 5,000 years ago, started writing on it. And then the first water globes, like snow globes, were introduced in 1878 in
Okay.
Paris.
Wow.
That brings us up to today. And now, yeah, you got your clay. And so, what are
I
you going to
got
make?
clay.
I suggested a school bus.
Oh,
Or a
I have to
book?
I have to figure out what
I'm
I'm gonna make.
thinking
You had said you were going to work with your hands. I don't know how
did,
this
but
is
now I'm
confusing.
nervous.
I'm gonna make
I'll make a peach.
Okay, yeah,
book
do that. An apple
and a
you know?
bookworm.
Okay, yeah. So
Way
that's
back to
I have enough
school.
time.
okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
We'll see.
I'm going to open this up here because I'm going to have
said
to
a
put water in it.
peach.
Yeah,
What
that
is
was
going
a little
on?
Why
random.
not?
Rebecca.
Maybe
I
in
grabbed the
Georgia,
peach
right? Do they
color.
give teachers peaches in Georgia?
I
Right?
actually don't know what
Oh,
a peach
there we
looks
go.
like. So
There.
this is not
Wow.
And so that's what I had sort of put together, you know, and so I created a base out of, now this is non-drying modeling clay. Okay,
Okay.
so after a while it's going to degrade. Water will break it down. And that's
Okay.
okay because then we'll be able to reuse the jars.
Right.
I need
All
an
right.
example. I'm going to look at this pencil.
Sure, go ahead. There was a pencil that
I'm
was
going to
made.
transition to a
Yeah.
pencil.
You also made a mound
Yeah, there we go.
so we can see. Sorry.
Yeah.
So we can see it.
I've
How did
made
you
a
do
mound.
that? I want to do that.
it?
How'd you
Okay.
I
do
think
that?
the mound is a good idea. as
Okay, so yeah, that sort of platform that's on there, or mound, as you so aptly put it. So I have a whole bunch of extra clay here in this sort of container. And so what I did was I took a whole bunch of extra clay, just put it
make
on the
your
top,
mound.
and you have to make
You
sound
mound
effects.
it up.
Oh,
Yep,
right.
go ahead, yep.
I need this
Sound
gray.
effects required. I need the right size.
Yes, it's not fun and
I'm not making a peach, I'm making
official.
a pencil, you guys.
it sticks,
because I
doesn't it?
have an example here.
Yes, it's a little tough.
Good
I
thing
have
now
a
you got
really
some
nice
muscles,
example.
right?
All right.
She's going in.
Sound effects ready.
Yep, so you can do that. Great. And so, yes, you can create a sort of
Back
platform
to
for it.
school,
And then what you can do to
pencil
save clay, like if you only have so many colors or a certain type of one color, yeah, you can take a mixture of some of the leftovers,
Yeah.
create a shape, and then wrap it with that color that you.
Genius.
I know. I know. Yeah, and so I also purchased these foil confetti packs, and that's what we're going to put inside of the jar
Oh,
once the
to
water's
make it
in
all-
there.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, fun
glittery
and
and fun.
glittery. and
Why
all
is
that.
it called a number 2 pencil?
There we
Was
go.
there a number 1 version ever? Does anyone
Yeah,
know?
yeah, but it didn't pull its weight. It wasn't really doing a great job. So they discontinued that one.
Okay, and
Told
they're
it to go wait in the car, right? Go head home.
And that's the history of number 2 pencil.
oh. Number 1 just wasn't that sharp.
Wow.
Oh, that's cute.
I
That was
know.
very cute.
Isn't that great?
was
I like that.
I know. I'll just take over the show. You guys take a break.
Oh, okay. Fine.
Anyway, so yeah, so we've got that. We've got some tools here so you can shape items.
This
you know.
is very cool clay. I like this. It's not really hard to use, and it doesn't seem like it would be too messy.
Sure.
What was it called again?
Oh, so
Kind of
this is
clay?
non-drying modeling clay, okay? And it will
Okay.
break down. This is more of a sort of oil-based, you know, it's got clay minerals in it, wax sort of base. You know, if
Okay.
you really want something that's going to last, or if you're supposed to have something that's supposed to last
Yeah.
in your sort of jar that you've got,
Yeah.
you probably go with polymer clay.
Okay.
Because you can bake that, you know, and it's a
Oh.
little more water resistant too, like Sculpey, that's
Very
that brand.
interesting.
And then there's similar brands
Okay.
to that one.
I've got my
So-
sort of mound,
Okay.
Oh, you're mounded up.
There we go.
I think.
Nice.
Well,
Been
yeah,
mounding?
put some
It
in
kind
there.
of lost its mound shape,
I've been
but
penciling.
that's okay.
Uh-huh.
We're
Well,
gonna
yeah,
make
you
it
can- here,
work.
I'll help
I've
out
been
instead of just
penciling.
standing
You've
here
been
and
mounding.
being like, whatever.
Yeah, get to work.
Yeah, exactly. And so yeah, I pressed near where the lid is supposed to go on. I
What are these?
pressed it down.
For some texture?
Yeah, definitely. Those are little tools right there.
Okay, I needed that.
And so if you're making a pencil, I'm going to give Tatum a pencil just so
Yeah.
she has something to put in there, right?
Oh.
There. What did you do?
You don't think I'll be successful?
What did you do?
Yeah,
No,
you
extra,
said
more
high
extra.
expectations. You were like, I'm gonna get a book.
I'm
I'm going to
ready.
do this, I'm going to do that, and then you
I
handed me
liked
your
it.
mound.
Well, while you're working on the mound, I'm working on the important pieces here.
Sure, and
How
once
do you
again,
make a pencil
this
like
is basically
in the
what we're
triangle?
sort of creating right
is
now.
happening?
Back to school sort of water globe. you know? And so inside is going to be a sort of craft, a sort of object, item, character,
Yeah.
that's related to school, and this is non-drying modeling clay.
So not a peach.
Yeah, well, hey, maybe. Or would that be the pits?
Right, that's cute.
There we go. And so I'll set
I'm
this down.
excited.
Okay.
I think my pencil's really coming along.
Good.
Is
Tatum
it?
Miller,
Good.
take a look
Yours
at
is the best.
Let's
beginning
see.
of my
Hey,
Whoops.
that's subjective. That is really good, though.
Not today. Today, that's the best.
Okay, well,
Tough.
we have to go to commercial break. I get so locked into these
Me
crafts.
too.
But Bianca and I will keep working.
Yes.
I'll make sure my mound is good for when we come back. And don't go anywhere. We'll be back with more of This Is How You Make It.